What's up everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the product collections for e-commerce stores. What are the benefits of that? Well, this solves a lot of challenges in providing easy navigation to customers on online stores, especially for businesses that have a very wide range of products that fall all under different categories. So along with placing menu items and having different categories, you can now also add the little cart icon into your menu. So first we want to hover over to payments on the left, then products at the top and select products. And here we have already created a few products. Now, if you hover over products again here at the top, you can see a new menu item called collections. Click on that, click create collection, and let's enter the collection name. Let's say we are holiday rental in Dubai. Under additional options, you can also rename the URL. For now, we just keep it like that. Now we have created our first collection. Now we need to go back to the products and assign the collection to the products. So here you can see we have a 1-bedroom villa, a 2-bedroom villa, and a 3-bedroom villa. Let's add it to 1-bedroom villa. Scroll down and you can see here product collection. Click on the drop-down menu and select the collection you would like to add to this product. And that's it. Scroll down and hit save. Another option is also when you're creating a product, you can immediately create a collection by just clicking that plus sign right here. Then we want to go over to sites, websites, and select our online store. Then click inside the menu at the top. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the menu items. Add a new item. Give it a title. In our case, we're going to name it Villa Collection. And now we can select Go to Product Collection. So this is a new feature. You can decide whether or not it should be opened in a new tab. In this case, we're just going to keep it as is. Hit Submit and hit Publish in the top right corner. Let's click on Preview. And here you can see our new Villa Collection right here. Also, please note at the top right corner here, this little card icon has been placed. Once we select one of the items into our basket, add to cart, be a cart, you can see here at the top right corner, a little one appears right here. I hope this will help you to organize your e-commerce store a lot more efficiently. I'll see you in the next video.